Okay, to sign into Clipchamp account of yours on a web browser, this is how to get about it. First, you launch your web browser. I'll be using Edge here because Clipchamp is owned by Microsoft and Edge is owned by Microsoft. So I'll click on the browser. Once the browser opens, visit clipchamp.com. All right, you can see clipchamp.com, enter. All right, you'll be taken to this page, okay? Here we want to sign in on the web because I already have an account, all right? So I'll click on sign in. On clicking on sign in, you'll be taken to this page. If you use Gmail in accessing your Clipchamp account, go with this, continue with Google, and then insert your Gmail address, okay? But here I'm using Outlook, so I have an account with Outlook, which is owned by Microsoft. So I will go with this option. Okay, you can still go with this option and then assign the email address by yourself and follow the on-screen guide, whether it's Outlook email or Gmail or Yahoo Mail. But here I use Outlook, so I will go with this option, continue with Microsoft. Okay, so this has automatically detected my Outlook email address that is linked to Microsoft 365, and which is this. All right, so I'll click on this. And here am I on my Clipchamp. Okay, so I have now been logged in, so I can start creating video from here by clicking on this and then start my recording. It is that simple. If you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. Here we cover a lot on tech and insurance, so subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. You can still watch this video on this screen to learn more about software. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.